Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the backstitch. She's right up here as our first one. So we are going to take our newly threaded needle right up here. You're going to do what I told you to do in the first video, but if you did not watch that, here's how you do it. To start your stitching, take the needle from the back, pull it through, and then put it from the front to the back. Pull it through, but not all the way tight. And then you should have a little loop here, whether you just knotted off or just started a new strand where you have the full double length of one strand and then like fold it in half and thread both ends through the needle. You should have a little loop here. You're gonna pull the needle through the little loop, and then you're just gonna boop, and she is all stable and ready to go. Now for actually learning how to do the back stitch. You take your needle from the back to the front again, and don't start at the start of the line. Start like somewhere down the line. You're gonna pull it through, pull it tight. Gonna go back to the start of the line. Nice and tight, like that. Stitch number one is made. So you're gonna take your needle again, go from the back to the front. This time starting away from the last stitch. Coming up through, pulling it tight, and then you're gonna start where that first stitch started. You're gonna put your needle back down through where that is. Like that. And just trying to keep the stitches as even as possible, but you're going to be doing that for the rest of this line. And she's done. You got a cute little backstitch line. So now you're going to take your needle and finish off this line. You're gonna kind of like thread it through one of these last stitches. It doesn't matter which one, anything that's stable. And then, so now you have this little loop. You're gonna make a little French knot to knot off. You're gonna put your needle through the loop and then wrap it 3 times-ish. It doesn't have to be 3, it could be like 2. But you're gonna wrap it 2 to 3 times. Now you have your cute little needle like all wrapped around the thread, and you're just gonna pull it through, keeping all of the excess fabric out of the way. Well, that ended weird. Well, sometimes that happens. I should have put it through more stable stitch. That's why you do it through like a stable stitch. You see what happened there. But you can kind of just put it back through one of these other stitches that is more stable and just kind of do another one just for safety. Now that is all set, I'll do one more French knot just to finish off the thread and keep her together and ready for the next project. And we're going to snip. And now we are all set. And that's how you do a backstitch.